Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook grilled cheese in an air fryer. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, 1 or 2 slices of cheese, and about 1 tablespoon of butter or mayonnaise. Spread the butter or mayo evenly on one side of each bread slice. Then, place your cheese between the unbuttered sides of the bread, creating your sandwich. Now, let's get the air fryer ready. You'll want to preheat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. While it's preheating, give your air fryer basket a light spray with cooking oil to ensure your sandwich doesn't stick. Once preheated, carefully place your assembled grilled cheese sandwich directly into the basket. It's time to cook. Place your sandwich in the air fryer and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. You're looking for that perfect golden brown crust on the first side. Once it's achieved, carefully flip the sandwich over using tongs or a spatula. Then, continue cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes until the cheese inside is wonderfully melted and bubbly. Your delicious air fryer grilled cheese is ready. Carefully remove it from the air fryer basket right away. It will be hot, so let it cool for just 1 or 2 minutes before you slice into it. This brief cooling period helps the cheese set perfectly. Now, serve it up hot and enjoy your perfectly crispy and cheesy creation, perhaps with a side of tomato soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.